hospital ki rangal hospital algonda varang hi terikama komi koddebi mi doctor nang algonda vara boda sukuru ada kora algonda doctor ki varang he oga ter doctor riha narhonna ki varang eha hi ter kodin hi ter ngula riha kodinna ki vara rangal kodibai ICU gangol algonda varang hi ter kong mi hun kantak kodini Kosriga algonda ngiro seha rangal algonda horiha kami koddebi එහෙම algon horiha narhunna rastapna horiha emena algon wara boda syukur kurang adi algon go present doctor wara fafaran syukur ada kurang algon ehi tere diemme bodang ehi tere nilma yang algon wara boda syukur ada kurang algon umi hospital rangal hospital yang adi mida dium gan fenna ti algon wara bodang ekama fa kurang em algon wara bodang horiha ko di emena syukur ada kurang.
Okay, thank you very much. On behalf of my family, we thank Rajagiri Hospital for their hospitality. And during our experience in Rajagiri Hospital, what we have observed is the kindness, their caring is really, really good at extreme level. Especially the doctors, the nurses, and even the other staff who had been giving us their services are excellent, I would say. So on behalf of our family, we extend our thanks to the management, staff and everybody of the hospital. We have gone through a surgical procedure of my mom, which has gone really successful, and the doctor who have really done the procedure has been extremely helpful. He had been checking us on until the very last moment. So I would just recommend that Rajagiri is one of the very good hospitals you can get in Cochin or Kerala, or I would even say in India. We have been to several hospitals. Not to mention any name, but we have seen 2-3 hospitals in Cochin before we came to Rajagiri. And comparing to the service and the help they have offered, we have chosen Rajagiri for this reason. So I would recommend that anybody who is coming for medical, especially for Cochin, to get their service. I would say Rajagiri is one of the very good hospitals in Cochin. Thank you, Rajagiri staff, management and everybody. Thank you. And one more thing, other than my mom who has gone through procedure here, I have also been consulting doctors here, and my personal experience is also the same. They are very, very good. I would say one of the best I have seen in my medical times. Thank you very much.